Hey friends, welcome back. So here is a quick little Walgreens video for you guys. I know several of you asked me because you have the perk on your Walgreens account for spend 20 and you get 7,000 points. And it does expire on Friday if you do have that perk. The way to check is to just go onto your Walgreens app and you can look under your perks and it'll tell you if you have it available. I also have spend 10, get 5 times the points as well. That one came available on my Walgreens app today. Excuse me. So today, or just right now, it's like 9 something at night. Hubby and I went to Walgreens and I decided to do the spend 20, get 7,000 points. And I will tell you why I did this after I tell you exactly what I did. So whenever I'm doing a deal like this, someone emailed me and asked me what should they buy. I like to buy things that I'm going to use at home and things that I need in my home. So if you definitely want to come out of pocket for $20, buy things that you actually need and then you'll get the 7,000 points back. So the Walgreens paper towels are priced at $4.99 and so are the Viva. Now, there are Viva coupons for 50 cents off. I did not use any coupons on the Viva because number one, I didn't take them, and number two, I was using Register Rewards, and you know Register Rewards are manufacturer coupons, so I would have had to get, I can't use a manufacturer coupon plus Register Reward for the Viva, because when you're using Register Rewards, you need one for each item, and since I had a coupon for 1, 2, 3 items here, I had 4 $5 Register Rewards, and I used one for the two for the candies, one for each, one for the Walgreens brand, and one for the Viva. So that's why I didn't use manufacturer coupons on the Viva. Excuse me. So they didn't have 2 Vivas. They were out, so that's why I got the Walgreens brand, and I needed something that was $4.99. And we go through paper towels really fast, so I just decided to go ahead and get those. So I wanted to get my total to as close to $20 or a little bit over as I could. So $4.99, $4.99. This Arm & Hammer is $2.99. There is a Walgreens digital coupon for $1 off. Okay, on the Clinical, the 8.4 ounce, this Head and Shoulders is $9.99. There is a $5 off Walgreens app coupon, so you would need to send that to your account. And then on the small 4.3 ounce, this is $5.99, and there is a $3 off coupon. Now the deal with these two is when you buy 2, you get 5,000 points. It's on the ad. It's in the ad on page 20, and it lists both of them. You could buy any 2 that you want, or you can get one of each. I got one of each since I did have the digital coupons for one of each. You buy 2 and you get 5,000 points. After points, they come out to be like $1.49 each, which is definitely a really good deal. So when you are doing this deal, sometimes I think it's good when you go onto the Walgreens app and you can pull up your Walgreens account and you can have the cashier scan it that way. For me, I had an issue, but I normally don't really have issues at Walgreens, but the cashier went ahead and put the coupons in for me because it didn't come off for some reason for the Clinical. But I didn't want him to void the transaction, and he just told me that he would just go ahead and manually enter it. So that's what he did for me, but I feel like if I would have canceled my transaction and then I would have had him scan my phone, because you can have them scan your barcode on your phone for the Walgreens account, and coupons come off that way as well. So you have the option of having them scan your phone, or you can type in your phone number. But either way, my out of pocket should actually have been $1.33, but the Arm & Hammer coupon did not come off, and I didn't realize, I forgot to tell him. So I paid $2.33 out of pocket. So what you'll see is, hopefully you can see this, but I had 4 $5 Register Rewards, and my total was over $30, but after those, it dropped by $20 because I had 4 of the $5 Register Rewards. And then he put in $8 for the manufacturer coupons, and that is for the 2 Clinical Head and Shoulders. So the reason why I got the Kit Kats is because they were 69 cents each, and I needed filler items to be able to use my register rewards. Because again, if you are new, a register reward is like a manufacturer coupon, and so you can use one for each item if you have, as long as you don't have manufacturer coupons for the other items. All right, so I should have paid $1.33 out of pocket, but I'm not going to complain because my cashier was really nice and he put the other coupons in for me. But I did spend $2.33 out of pocket, and I got back a total of, excuse me, 12,300 points. The everyday points was 300. I got 7,000 because of the spend 20 and you get 7,000 points. And the other 5,000 points came from this deal right here on the Head and Shoulders for buy 2 and you get 5,000 points. Now, can you pay with points and get points? Not on this transaction, because if you paid with points, you would not get the spend 20 and you would get 7,000 points. So you're going to have to pay $20 out of pocket if you want to really do this deal. I know some of you said you really didn't want to lose the opportunity to get 7,000 points, and what could you buy? So that's why I decided to go ahead and do this deal. Now, why did I go to Walgreens and how did I get the $5 register reward? So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that there was a big money maker today at Walgreens. Now, I cannot confirm if this deal is still going. I didn't even do it because hubby was the one that went to the store and did it for me. I was at work and he went on his way to work, and I texted him, you know, hey, can you go to Walgreens? So the deal is on the Venus Olay, and it's going to be on the gold bottles, not on the new cans. This deal was all over Instagram today. When you buy 2 and travel size is included, and the men's was also included, when you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. Now, some stores, these are buy one, get one 50% off. Other stores, they're $1.79. But either way, they are a money maker because they were producing a $5 register rewards. Now, again, I cannot confirm if this deal is still going. I'm only telling you because that is how I got the $5 register rewards. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 5, 10, 15, 20. So hubby went for me this morning and he brought the register rewards home for me, and so that's how I got the $20 in register rewards. And so I decided to go ahead and use them and do this deal for you guys because a few of you had asked me, you know, I really want to do the spend 20, get 7,000 points, and what should I buy? So I think this is definitely something good to buy because you're getting more points because you're getting points back on these 2 items, and you're getting the 7,000 points. So if I wanted to look at it, if I actually had to spend $20 out of pocket, which I didn't, then I got back 12,000 points, which made everything $8 if you want to look at it this way. But for me, because I only spent $2.33 out of pocket and I got 12,000 points back, it was a $10 money maker for me if I look at it that way, because I did get back 12,000 points. So I hope that this is helpful for you that want to go out and do this deal for the spend 20, get 7,000. I believe it expires on the 10th, which is Friday, so you have plenty of time. And that is it. Again, I cannot confirm if this is still going. It was not just on the travel size, it was on the bigger ones as well, but it was only the gold bottles. It was not the, I think there were some different bottles. It was also on the men's Gillette, but I can't confirm that because which ones, because I did not do the deal. If you did and you want to leave it in the comments for other people to see, go ahead. But again, I don't know if it's still going. It was early this morning, and my store was right now when I went, they were sold out. So a lot of people ran out and did that deal. But that is it, guys. I'm going to work on some breakdowns for you. We also did a cooking video tonight, so I'm going to get that posted. But yeah, that's it. I hope that this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.